In Python, set difference returns a set with elements unique to the original set. Let's see it in action. Set A has 1, 2, and 3. Set B has 1 and 2. If we do print A dot difference of B and run the code, we'll see the elements unique to A is just 3. Let's do another example. Print B dot difference A. What elements are unique to B? If we run the code, we'll see an empty set, meaning no elements are unique to B. Set difference also has an operator, meaning we can achieve much the same effect with less typing. We can do print A minus B and run this code, and we'll see that the only element unique to A is 3, which is the same result we got when we wrote out difference completely. We can also do set difference between multiple sets. We'll keep sets A and B. We'll also add set C that holds 2 and 3. If we do print A dot difference of B and C and run this code, we'll see an empty set as A has no element that is not also in either B or C. A quick note, you can still do this with the operator form. You would just write A minus B minus C and still get the same result. To wrap up, 2 side notes on related things. What if you wanted to use this functionality but on lists, meaning the set difference between 2 lists? Constructors to the rescue, baby. List A has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. List B has 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8. List C equals list of set of A minus set of B. This makes list C have only elements unique to list A. If we print C and run the code, we'll see as much as C only has 1, 2, and 4. In Python, set symmetric difference returns a set with all elements not shared between the sets. Let's do an example. Set A has 1 and 2. Set B has 2 and 3. If we print A dot symmetric difference of B and run the code, we'll see the set with 1 and 3. This is because those are elements the 2 sets don't have in common. In Python, set symmetric difference also has an operator that is the caret operator, so we can also do print A caret B and run that code, and we'll get the set with 1 and 3. This is because those are elements the 2 sets don't have in common, identical in behavior to using the function. A little note to end on, symmetric difference doesn't allow multiple arguments, so how do you do this operation on multiple sets? For the example, we'll get rid of the print and add set C holding 3 and 4. If we print A caret B caret C, this effectively does symmetric difference on all 3 sets. If we run this code, we'll see as much as the set holds 1 and 4. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.